In this video, we will show you how to solve a problem with VC runtime 140_1.dll was not found when we open application in Windows. In here, I'm opening OBS Studio. How to solve this problem? You need to download this file, okay, Visual C++ redistributable, okay. You need to click this, and I provide the link on pinned comment, so you can check the link on pinned comment. And in here you need to download the latest version or based on your Windows, okay. For example, I just download for the latest version because I'm using Windows 11 here. And in here you need to download for 64-bit because the Windows 11 all is 64-bit, okay. And we can just click save and wait until the download process is complete, then we can install it. Just check the agreement and click install. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, you need to make sure the installation is complete, and then you need to take a restart of your operating system. Okay, after you click the restart here, you can open again your application that before is error. You can see now I can open again my OBS Studio, and this is also sometimes solve another problem that's similar. Okay, and that's all. Tutorial how to solve a problem VC runtime 140_1.dll was not found.